Let me ask you something. Have you ever stared at your to-do list for like an hour and still done nothing? Not because the task is hard, but because your brain is just, nope, not today. Yeah, same. I used to lose entire days to that feeling. My assignments piled up, my room looked like a level 99 boss fight, and my motivation was basically on life support. But then, and I swear, I'm not exaggerating, one tiny rule straight up changed everything. A rule so small, you'll probably laugh at it. It only takes 7 minutes. And before you think, bro, 7 minutes won't fix my life, just stay with me, because this is exactly what broke me out of my procrastination cycle, and it might do the same for you. So here's what people don't tell you about procrastination. You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding the feeling right before the task, that heavy, that mental friction, that invisible force pushing you back into your bed or your phone. For me, it was everything. Homework, cleaning my desk, starting a big project, ultra, mega, super. And the problem is, when you wait to feel ready, you wait forever. So here's the game changer, the 7-minute rule. If a task scares you, overwhelms you, or feels impossible, just do it for 7 minutes. Then you can stop. That's it. Not finish the task, not grind for 3 hours, just 7 minutes of honest effort. Sounds stupid, right? Yeah, that's what I thought until I tried it. Your brain isn't afraid of work. It's afraid of starting. Starting is the mountain. Once you start, momentum takes over. Here's the psychology in simple language. Your brain has something called activation energy. It takes a lot of it to begin a task, but once you start, it drops like crazy. The 7-minute rule tricks your brain by making the mountain feel like a tiny step. It's the difference between clean the whole room, overwhelming, and set a 7-minute timer, doable. Let me tell you how this literally saved my semester. I had this massive assignment due, one of those 40% of your grade, don't screw this up type deals. And I kept avoiding it like it had bad vibes. Every day, I told myself, tonight I'll do it. And every night, tomorrow. Classic. One night, I was so stressed I couldn't sleep. So I said, screw it. Set a 7-minute timer. Started typing the first paragraph. Guess what? When the timer ended, I didn't stop. I kept going for 40 minutes. Not because I forced myself, but because once I started, it wasn't scary anymore. That assignment, I submitted it early. Me, the king of procrastination. That's when I realized it wasn't a motivation problem. It was a starting problem. Okay, let me break this down so you can use it today. Step 1, identify a task you've been avoiding. School assignment, gym, cleaning your laptop, emailing that teacher, anything. Step 2, set a 7-minute timer. Not 10, not 20, 7. It's oddly specific, and that's why your brain doesn't resist it. Step 3, start with 0 pressure to finish. Tell yourself, I can quit after 7 minutes, no guilt. Step 4, when the timer ends, choose honestly. Option A, you stop, totally fine. You still won because you broke the friction. Option B, you keep going. This happens to me 80% of the time. Step 5, repeat tomorrow with something else. It becomes a superpower once you get used to it. Here are some moments where the 7-minute rule has saved me. Studying for exams. I didn't open the whole chapter. I just said, read for 7 minutes. Next thing I know, I'm 12 pages in. Cleaning my room. The whole room felt impossible, but clean for 7 minutes? Easy. I ended up clearing my desk, my bed, my floor, basically everything. Going to the gym. I told myself, just warm up for 7 minutes. If you still want to leave, leave. Spoiler, I never left. Fixing my sleep schedule. Instead of trying to be perfect, I just did a 7-minute night routine. It slowly rebuilt my entire sleep cycle. This rule works because it meets you where you are. Tired? Cool. Unmotivated? Totally fine. Overstimulated from your phone? Happens to everyone. But 7 minutes is always possible. And here's the crazy part. Once you use this rule consistently, you start seeing yourself differently. You stop being the procrastinator. You stop being the lazy one. You become someone who shows up, even if it's for 7 minutes. That shift alone is life-changing. Look, life isn't changed by massive dramatic moments. It's changed by tiny moments of consistency. 7 minutes today, 7 tomorrow, 7 the next. That adds up. And the best part, it doesn't burn you out. It builds you up. You start trusting yourself again. Your future self stops feeling like a stranger. Small wins turn into big ones. This little rule gives you something way more powerful than motivation, momentum. So here's your challenge. Tonight, pick one thing you've been avoiding. Set a 7-minute timer, start it. No pressure, no expectations, just start. If it works for you, come back and tell me in the comments. I promise you, this tiny rule can reshape your mindset, your habits, your confidence, everything. We're leveling up together. Let's make tomorrow better than today, 7 minutes at a time. See you in the next one.